Hi tech lovers, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best wireless mouse you can find for your setup. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Logitech M510. Let's get started. Product feature. Experience incredible peace of mind with a battery life that lasts up to 2 full years, so you can focus on your work without worrying about constant charging. Stay efficient with an intelligent sleep mode and a handy on-off switch designed to preserve every bit of energy whenever you are away from your desk. This versatile companion works seamlessly across Windows, Chrome, and Linux operating systems, ensuring it fits perfectly into your unique digital life. The tiny USB unifying receiver stays tucked into your laptop safely, so it is always ready to go and never gets lost or damaged during your busy travels. Simplify your workspace by connecting multiple compatible wireless mice or keyboards to a single receiver, clearing the clutter from your limited USB ports. Feel the difference with soft rubber grips and a contoured shape that supports your hand's natural curve, keeping you comfortable during long hours of use. Boost your workflow with programmable back and forward buttons, plus side-to-side scrolling, and zoom to navigate large documents and web pages with total ease. Pros. The Logitech M510 really shines when it comes to long-term comfort. Its ergonomic shape feels like it was custom-made for your palm, significantly reducing strain during those long workdays. Plus, the incredible 2-year battery life means you will almost forget it even needs power. It's a reliable, sturdy tool that makes your daily computing tasks feel smoother and much more enjoyable. Cons. While it is perfect for many, those with very small hands might find the broad palm area a bit large at first. Also, since it relies on a USB-A receiver, users with newer USB-C only laptops will need a small adapter to get started. It is a minor trade-off for such a dependable and feature-rich mouse that serves you so well. Final thoughts. Choosing a mouse is about finding a reliable partner for your daily journey. The Logitech M510 isn't just a peripheral, it is a way to make your workspace more inviting and your tasks less taxing. You deserve a setup that supports your goals and keeps you comfortable while you achieve them. This mouse offers that rare blend of simplicity and advanced features that just works when you need it most. Make your desk a place you truly love to be. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video to stay updated on the best tech for your home. See you next time.